नमस्कार, नीरज है मेरा नाम। चलो शुरू करते हैं काम।
अरे रुको रुको, पहले मैं तो बता दो अपना नाम। नमस्कार, कुलविंदर है मेरा नाम। अब शुरू करो काम।
चलो तो फिर काम को आगे बढ़ाएं।
अरे पहले करना क्या है ये तो बताएं।
अब आपने की काम की बात। चलिए आज हम बात करने वाले हैं राइमिंग वर्ड्स के बारे में।
राइमिंग वर्ड्स
जी,
वो क्या होते हैं?
राइमिंग वर्ड्स वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनके एंड की जो साउंड है वो सिमिलर होती है। जैसे काम, नाम।
ओ,
जी, अब आप बताइए मुझे कोई राइमिंग वर्ड।
पेन, मेन।
जी, बिल्कुल सही समझे हैं आप। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं राइमिंग वर्ड्स के बारे में। द वर्ड्स दैट एंड विद सिमिलर साउंड। तो आपको पता है राइमिंग वर्ड्स यूज कहाँ होते हैं?
कहाँ यूज होते हैं?
सबसे पहले हमें यही जानना होगा कि राइमिंग वर्ड्स का यूज हम कहाँ कहाँ करते हैं। बच्चों की पोएम्स होती हैं, जैसे ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार, हाउ आई वंडर व्हाट यू आर, स्टार एंड आर, दीज आर राइमिंग वर्ड्स। लेकिन हम क्यों रखते हैं इन्हें किसी कविता या पोएम में?
क्यों? गाने के लिए?
जी, जब भी हम राइमिंग वर्ड्स को यूज करते हैं तो उस पोएम में या उस कविता में एक लय आ जाती है। उस लय को गाने में आनंद भी आता है, इसीलिए हम राइमिंग वर्ड्स का यूज करते हैं। राइमिंग वर्ड्स को यूज करने का एक फायदा और भी होता है। जब भी हम राइमिंग वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं, बच्चों को वो चीज ज्यादा टाइम तक याद रहती है। तो इसीलिए हम बच्चों के साथ स्पेशली राइमिंग वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं।
मुझे भी ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार्स आज तक याद है, मैंने नर्सरी में सीखी थी।
जी, तो चलिए आगे बात बढ़ाते हैं कुछ चित्रों के साथ। तो आपको स्क्रीन पर कुछ फोटोज दिखाई दे रहे हैं?
हाँ जी।
आप बता सकते हैं इसमें क्या क्या है?
कैट,
जी,
रैट,
यस,
हैट, मैट एंड बैट।
बैट। अगर हम इन चित्रों को देखें और थोड़ा और तेज बोलें, एक बार ट्राई करेंगे आप?
हैट,
फास्टर।
कैट,
यस।
रैट, मैट, रैट।
आप बताइए अब इन सब चीजों में क्या कॉमन है?
इनकी आवाज एक सी आ रही है, एट 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 एट।
यस, कैट बैट रैट, कैट बैट रैट मैट। सिमिलर साउंड, तो यही है राइमिंग वर्ड्स, स्टार्ट डिफरेंट बट एंड सिमिलर। अभी हम आगे देखते हैं कि इन वर्ड्स को लिखेंगे कैसे। आपको अपनी स्क्रीन पर दिखाई दे रहा है CAT,
कैट,
MAT,
मैट,
BAT,
बैट,
HAT,
हैट,
RAT,
रैट।
cat, mat, bat, rat and hat. So the words ending with similar sound are known as rhyming words. ये आपके सामने कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं कि एक राइमिंग वर्ड्स किस किस तरह से हो सकते हैं सिमिलर। तो अभी हम आगे चलते हैं। अब बताइए आपको क्या दिखाई दे रहा है?
एक डॉग
जी,
और एक फ्रॉग।
राइट, डॉग, फ्रॉग, डॉग, फ्रॉग। आप भी बोलकर देखिए,
डॉग, फ्रॉग,
डॉग, फ्रॉग, डॉग, फ्रॉग। तो
डॉग।
oh, right. So the words ending with similar sound are known as rhyming words. Dog and frog. DOG dog, FROG frog. दोनों की ending sound og similar है, इसलिए हम उन्हें कहते हैं rhyming words. अब हम आगे चलते हैं. Can you read the words you can see on the screen?
Fan,
Yes.
van, pan, man, pan.
Yes. FAN fan, VAN van, PAN,
Pan,
MAN,
man,
CAN.
can.
Yes. So these words are ending with an sound. An sound. Fan, man, pan, van, can. So these all are rhyming words because these are ending with an sound.
And
So now can you identify rhyming words?
which end with the same sound?
Yes, which end with the same sound. So now, can you see what is written there on the screen?
CAP cat. MAN man.
No, not man. See, same sound, AP, app. Use app sound.
MAP map.
Yes.
GAP gap.
Very nice.
LAP lap.
Yes. So if we add app sound at the end of each letter, we get a new word. CAP cap, MAP map, GAP gap and LAP lap.
Lap.
These are all rhyming words. Do you know why do we call them rhyming words?
Because they end in the same sound.
Right. So the words ending with the same sound are known as rhyming words. So let us welcome a new member here.
Oh, it's too scary.
No. He's not scary. He's friendly monster.
Oh, hello.
Hello. This monster is very hungry. He wants to eat something. But he is also confused. What he wants to eat, he doesn't know. He knows the ending sound, but he is not sure about the beginning.
Oh, please don't eat me. I'll get something for you.
What do you have for me? Show me. Wow, so many things to eat. I want to eat dish.
Dish?
Dish.
Dish? You mean fish?
Yeah. I mean fish. Can you give me fish?
You can have a fish here.
Wow, it's so yummy. But I'm still feeling hungry. Please give me something to eat. I want to eat tuk.
Book.
Yes, book. I want to eat book. Please give me this book.
You can have this book.
It was nice. Oh, my tummy is still empty. I still want to eat something. Please give me that mole. Give me that mole.
Ball. You want ball.
Yes, I want to have ball.
You can have this ball.
My tummy is still empty. I want to have dup.
You mean cup.
Cup?
Cup.
Yes, cup. Please give me cup. Wow, so yummy. What is that red color thing? Oh, I want to eat bar. Give me that bar.
Oh, it's a car.
Yes, car. I think the monster's tummy is full now. Let us ask him. I am feeling better. Thank you, dear. Thank you for helping me eat something. Also, I got to know some new words. Bar, car, fish, dish, cup, dup. Do you know what these words are? Let us tell him.
These are rhyming words that end in the same sound. Car, bar.
Wow, I got to know this. I'm very happy. My tummy is full. My mummy, tummy. One more rhyming words. Thank you. See you. Wait. Thank you. See you. Thank you. See you. Wow. Bye. Thank you. Bye. So our monster is feeling happy. Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay, so let's move to a rhyme. Can you see on your screen A new rhyme? The Flying Man.
Flying man.
Yes, the Flying Man. A man who can fly. The Flying Man. So I'll read it aloud for you. Flying man, up in the sky. Where are you going to? Flying so high.
Flying man, up in the sky. Where are you going to? Flying so high.
Now, can you identify the rhyming words in these 4 lines?
Sky,
Sky,
high.
high. Sky, high. Sky, high. Yes, these are 2 rhyming words. Did you identify it? Yes. So now read the 4 lines you can see on the screen.
Over the mountains, over the sea, where are you going to? Can't you take me?
Over the mountains, over the sea, where are you going to? Can't you take me? Can you identify the rhyming words?
Yes. See,
Me. See, me. See, me. So these are the words ending with same sound. These are known as rhyming words. Are you now able to identify the rhyming words?
yes.
तो चलिए एक गेम खेलते हैं. Silly Simon says,
Silly? Why is he silly?
because he's not sure about the ending or beginning. He's not sure about the beginning sounds.
Okay.
So he wants to ask you, do you know about your body parts?
Yes.
Tell me.
Eyes,
Yes.
nose, lips, mouth, chin, arms,
Yes.
hands.
Just enough. Okay. Now the Simon will tell you what body part to touch and you have to identify the body part and touch accordingly. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So here we go. Silly Simon says, touch your pies.
Pies? But I don't have pies.
Do you have something that rhymes with pies?
Oh, pies. Eyes.
Yes, eyes. Pies, eyes. So touch your eyes. Now the Silly Simon says, touch your mummy.
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 Tummy.
Yes, touch your tummy. Silly Simon says, touch your south.
South. Mouth.
South, mouth. These are rhyming words, right?
Yes.
So you are able to identify them. Okay, we will do it faster now. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, touch your pear.
Pear. Ear.
Yes. Okay, touch your pad.
Bed. Head.
Yes. Touch your mom.
Mom. Arm.
Yes. Touch your zail.
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 Nail.
Zail.
No.
Nail.
Nail.
So did you enjoy the game?
Yes, very much.
Yes. So you are now able to identify the rhyming words and think of new rhyming words. You can do it at home or with your friends.
Yes.
So this is our task to identify more rhyming words and create new words. Okay, see you. Bye.
Bye.